In this video, I'll be diving into a Reddit discussion to explore the best use cases for Perplexity AI. I'm starting at the top of the r/Perplexity AI subreddit, where a popular thread asks users why they prefer this tool over traditional search engines. As I scroll down, I see several people mentioning that it has become their primary replacement for Google, especially when they need a direct answer or a quick link without navigating through pages of ads. Now I've reached a very detailed post that outlines the major benefits of the platform in great depth. This user essentially explains that Perplexity acts as a real-time research companion that can filter through news, academic papers, and technical files to provide the most relevant information instantly. As I continue to scroll through the rest of the thread, I notice more users chiming in about using it for niche tasks like coding support and deep dive financial research. Many appreciate the fact that they can ask follow-up questions to refine their search, which makes the entire process feel more like a conversation with an expert. I'm nearing the bottom of the discussion now, where the general consensus is that Perplexity is the ideal choice for anyone looking to save time while maintaining high accuracy in their research. From these community insights, it's clear that whenever you need a factual, source-backed summary of a complex topic, Perplexity is the right tool for the job. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.